This is Bhairavi Shah, a card reader, numerologist, and whatnot. The things that I do as a professional work, I have already mentioned, or you would be able to find it in the area where either it's described or I'm sharing my information. Right now we are doing Lenormand learning, the basic meanings of Lenormand cards. We have reached to the card number 15, that is bear. A bear, yes, teddy bear. This card implies, mostly the basic meanings are powerful, a powerful ally, or it can also mean enemy. It does also mean envy, somebody being jealous of your good fortune or something around that. However, as I always repeat, as I usually repeat, please be aware of the surrounding cards when you're reading something or when you're making a judgment or conclusion about something. So, bear's basic meanings can be protection, power, jealousy or envy, a powerful ally or an enemy, a person who has some kind of strength over either the querent or the question that the person is asking for. They can also indicate bosses, the person whom you report to. It is good luck in terms of finances. It may or may not mean that you have huge salary. It is more about when it comes to finances, it's more about how you utilize the money, how you spend it, how you take care of it. Bear is that. So even as a protection, bear is indicated, and even as an envy or an enemy, a bear is indicated. So now in that area, your intuition is, it's in my opinion, intuition is important. Plus the surrounding cards, because Lenormand reading, many of the people who have logical minds working only with rationality, they might not want to include intuition in it. However, in my opinion, intuition is always there, especially when you're practicing card reading. It sometimes even means mother, a motherly figure. So bosses, motherly figure, powerful ally, protection, envy, jealousy, financial matters. In regards to that, it's fortunate. So it doesn't mean you have a lot of money or you don't. It can be you have a lot of money, but mainly it means you are handling, how you are handling your finances. So surrounding cards and the closeness and awareness, I don't know if that is a word like that, may change the information or the reading completely. So you have to be very careful. Context is important. Alright, so right now we say ta-ta, see you in the next card.